In today's video, I'm going to show you how this YouTube channel made $520 in one day copying and pasting monetizable videos onto social media. This is going to be a super simple strategy to follow, as I'm going to teach you how you can use artificial intelligence to save you tons of time while doing this. And we're not going to be copying the videos directly from other people. We're going to retranscribe them and rescript them into our own words with the use of AI. Therefore, still making these videos monetizable and still favorable for the algorithm to push, as we're going to be piggybacking already existing videos that the algorithm of YouTube and TikTok favors. And as I mentioned, small content creators are absolutely taking off with this, so there's no reason that you shouldn't as well. However, the only effort that's going to be required from your side is to remain consistent in posting. There is no ways that you can expect to go viral, take off, become this huge content creator by only posting 1 or 2 videos and hoping that you immediately go viral. That's not how social media works, because if it worked like that, everybody would be going viral. You only need a phone to do this. In fact, the phone apps might even be better than using a PC. And secondly, all you need is an internet connection, and you will be able to copy and paste these monetizable videos to make multiple streams of revenue online. No editing required. You don't need a PC for this. However, today's tutorial is going to be on my PC, as it's just easier for me to illustrate this video and illustrate the steps on how you should do this, as the phone screen is quite small, and for me to record 20 minutes on my phone is going to be very difficult for you to make out what is actually happening. And this is a great strategy that takes very little time out of your day. And again, that's the beautiful thing about today's world and era. There is so many different tools out there that automates a lot of things that we would have had to have done manually 5-10 years ago. So this is now the perfect time to make use of this. And I can't imagine what's going to be around, the different tools that's going to be around in 5-10 years time from now. The fantastic thing about this strategy is we can even get a little bit clickbaity. We can use superstars all over the world that is known by millions and billions of people and use them in our content to our advantage to push our videos to go viral. Because the best thing is, we're not going to be copying and pasting other people's content exactly. We're going to be downloading those transcripts, rewriting those in our own words, and recreating a new transcript for that video in our own unique words. And this is 100% legal to do, and this type of content is getting monetized. The first place that we can go and use to find our content, to go and retranscribe this video into our own words, is simply TikTok. And all you want to go and search is people that are talking about motivational speeches. And ideally, you want to use people that are quite famous. So for example, David Goggins, Andrew Tate, Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson, people that are known for making motivational speeches or just known for their overall content in general. If you want to talk about cooking or fitness and health and fitness, for example, with cooking, you can go and search up Gordon Ramsay. For health and fitness, you can go and search up one of your favorite health and fitness influencers and use their content. So I, for example, in this video went to go and search Andrew Tate's motivational speech, and there's tons of different videos here that gets thousands and millions of views that a lot of people resonate with. So for example, this video over here where Andrew Tate talks about life is about winning and losing, etc., and this whole speech, all you want to simply go and do is copy the link to this TikTok video, come over to Google and go and search TikTok download without watermark. And you want to go and click on the first link over here. It's called snaptic.app. Go and paste your link, click on the green download button, and you can go and download this video in HD without the watermark. You'll see over here that is now downloading to my PC. We need to go and grab the text and what he's saying in this video into a text format. And a free website that you can go and do that is called Descriptorcom, which detranscribes videos from their video format to text format. Simply go and click on Get Started for free. I've already got a free account with this platform. I haven't even paid for it once. They've got an amazing free plan that has, I think, well over 3 hours work for you to describe videos. Once you've signed in, on the top right hand side, click on New. You can see over here, I've got the free version. Click on Audio Project. Once this is busy loading, click on Add File and go and add that same Andrew Tate video or your video that you have chosen. Click on Done, and in a couple of minutes, it's going to take this entire TikTok and write out the entire transcript for you, which is absolutely an amazing tool for getting content ideas. If you want to use influence from other people, you can download already existing viral videos, download the text, script that, and rewrite that into your own words so that you're not copying and pasting from other people. So over here, we can see the short script of this entire TikTok video and Andrew Tate's speech. We can come over to Google and go and search up ChatGPT. So if you go to chat.openai.com or just search ChatGPT on Google, Paste your transcripted content, simply press enter twice or shift enter so that it doesn't actually send it to ChatGPT yet, and go and type this. Rewrite this in your own words and take a look at the difference. I click on enter, send it to ChatGPT, and let me quickly go through you the two different examples. The original version, life is not always about winning and losing as a man. As a man, sometimes life is about simply fighting anyway, standing up and doing what you're supposed to do. Take a look at the retranscripted version. In life, being a man isn't just about winning or losing. It's about facing challenges head on. Even when the odds are against you, true manhood lies in the courage to persevere and do what needs to be done, even in the face of seemingly insurmountable obstacles. Whereas over here, it says this is what true manhood means. It's easy to be brave when you have hope, and when you have no hope at all, that's where true bravery is shown. Whereas over here, in our retranscripted version, it says it's easy to be courageous when there's hope, but real bravery shines through when hope seems lost. And that's what I love about ChatGPT. We have now our own re-scripted, copied content that's completely in our own words, which completely avoids the idea of copyright and plagiarism. Now, all we need to go and do is recreate this into our own new transcripted video, which obviously we need Andrew Tate content. The first thing we need to do is to return this new script into a new audio file as a voiceover. You can come over to canva.com, and this is something really cool that Canva has updated on their website in the last while. You can go and click on video. It doesn't matter what template that you choose. They've now added a voiceover feature from AI. So if you go and click on apps over here, go and search in the top bar, voiceover, and it's this blue one over here. Click on this blue option. It will then prompt up with the script here. Paste your new rewritten script.
Allow the world to live as it chooses, and allow yourself to live as you...
If in the scenario you've got a message where it says characters exceed your limit of 326, purchase more characters from below. You can cut out the first half of the script. Just remember where you were. Click on generate audio, and it will now create the audio of this first half. Then what you can go and do is you can repaste the second half, click on generate again.
In life, being a man isn't just about winning or losing.
But how cool would it be if we can get this
Being a man isn't just about winning
to sound like this?
In life, being a man isn't just about winning or losing.
Wouldn't it be cool if we can use this AI tool to make our newly scripted text to sound exactly like Andrew Tate? Well, this is exactly how you can do so. If you come over to Google and you go and search text to Andrew Tate voice, you're going to replace the name of the influencer that you're using, whether that be Dwayne Johnson or David Goggins, it doesn't matter. Click on the second link over here. The voice generator, get Andrew Tate voice AIs by topmediaai.com. It will then pop up with a page like this. Paste your newly sent ChatGPT script over here. Click on Audition, and it will produce this into a 20-second audio file. Click on Download over here. If it asks you for a paid version, now this is the coolest thing about the recording software that I use. I use what you call OBS, which you can go and record the audio of your PC and save that completely for free. We're basically bypassing having to pay for this website. All you're gonna go and do is open up OBS on your screen under desktop audio and make sure you've got your default speakers selected under your desktop audio so that it records your speaker. Click on start recording. Once that's been recorded, it will save to your PC. I've just renamed that as the Andrew Tate voice file, but you will see that this video is in a MP4 video file format. So we need to go and convert this to an MP3 audio format. How do we do that? Come over to Google, just go and search MP4 to MP3 convert, and you will find a bunch of different converters online, freeconvert.com. Click on your file from device, upload that same voiceover file, click on convert, and in a couple of seconds, this will then be done, ready to download to your PC. So we can go and add this voiceover over our newly edited video. Click on download. This will download then to your PC, just like that in a few seconds. The next step is we need to go and find video content to add underneath this new transcripted voiceover. Simply come over to TikTok and go and search your person that you're using. In my example, Andrew Tate. And we want to just find a compilation of different videos of this person. I'm going to go and use this video over here, the life of the Tates, of just literally a video circling their cars. Again, we can go and copy the link of this TikTok video, come over to Google and search that TikTok downloader. Just come back to the homepage of TikTok downloader on snaptik.app, paste the newly link of the TikTok video, click on download, and this new video will then download to your PC. All right, once that's downloaded, we can organize this on our computer into our voiceover and into our video. And the next thing we need to go and do is now edit this. And there's many different free editing softwares out there. There's openshot.org, which is the best open source free one that you can go and use, but I'm going to be using Sony Vegas Pro 20. Vegas Pro 20 or openshot.org will look something very similar to this. You can simply go and drag and drop your content onto this. So here's my video and here's my voiceover file, which I've just uploaded onto this. And we can go and mute the audio of the video file and take a look at this.
In life, being a man isn't just about winning or losing. In life, being a man isn't just about winning or losing. It's about
we can trim the end of this video, and we want to go and add different videos alongside this audio. And all we're really doing is we're creating a compilation of Andrew Tate videos. Come back to TikTok and we can go and find another video of Andrew Tate. We can go and use this one over here and rinse and repeat. Copy the link of this TikTok, again, back to snaptic.app. Come back to the homepage and repaste your TikTok link. Click on download again. And once that's done, we can move that over to our folder. On our PC, we can then reopen Vegas 20 and go and upload that same TikTok video that we've just downloaded. So let's go and trim this to the end. Again, mute the audio of this video. So you can either drag this option all the way down to the end, or you can click on your keyboard, Control-U, and delete the audio as a whole. Stretch out these two videos so they match the same length as the audio, and take a listen to this.
In life, being a man isn't just about winning or losing. It's about facing challenges head on, even when the odds are against you. True manhood lies in the courage to persevere and do what needs to be done, even in the face of seemingly insurmountable obstacles.
All right, once that's done, highlight your video, click on File, click on Render As. Under the Magic's ABC MP4 section, scroll down until you see Internet HD 1080p in portrait in brackets. Select your folder where you want to save this new video. You can name it, so we can type this as our final edit. Click on render. Once that's complete, come over to a website called Captions.ai. The last thing that we need to go and do is add captions to our video because, well, it always just adds that cherry on top in terms of keeping your audience captivated to your videos. Click on get started. It will take you to the dashboard of desktop.captions.ai. On the top right hand side, click on upload a video. Upload your new final edited video. It will upload in a couple of seconds. Click on proceed with English and it will add captions to your video. You can select from plenty different templates on the left hand side. One of my favorites is just the pure white text. You can drag and drop the captions, add them in towards the center, towards the top, towards the bottom, and really do what you want with them. You can also click on specific text, edit the text if it maybe perhaps made a spelling mistake. But once you're happy with everything and once that's done, you can click on export on the top right hand side, click on export video, and in a couple of seconds, this will be ready to download to your PC. Once that's finished exporting, click on download, and there we go. Download it to our PC. The easiest way to go and get viral with this, and this is honestly like a little hack on TikTok, is go and create 10 to 20 different Andrew Tate profiles. If you're using Dwayne The Rock Johnson, if you're using David Goggins, you're obviously going to use a TikTok profile based on their name. Go and post this video that we've just created on all 10 of those profiles. Whichever profile performs the best, gets the most views and the most followers. Specifically focus on growing that page and only post on that page. And all you need to go and do is set a schedule for yourself for the next 30 days, post every single day, and get that snowball going and get that initial traction to your page. From there, there's so many different ways that you can monetize your page. My recommended ways is all in this playlist over here. Various different ways that you can make money on TikTok in 2024, and also my artificial intelligence playlist up here. So what I recommend you do is, if you want to dive deep into the monetization of short video platforms, click on one of these playlists over here. If you cannot watch them now, make sure to save them to your watch later so that you can get to them on a later point. But without further ado, choose one of these playlists over here and I'll see you over there.